So this dance is called the Waves of Tory, and it starts with a bow and a curtsy. And in orange, I have a couple that is going to lead the dip and dive, and we'll show you that when we get there. I wanted them to be in orange, and so they would stand out, and you could see how they go down to the one end and they come back. And so keep your eye on the orange couple. It's forward, 2, 3, 4, and back, 2, 3, 4. Gentlemen arch, ladies through, right shoulders touch. And forward, 2, 3, 4, and back, 2, 3. Ladies arch, gentlemen right shoulders. Good. Head couple, sashay, grab hands, sashay, down and back. And when you get to the top, cast off. Go down. Everyone follows those leaders. They arch. And then here's our couple in orange coming to the top. Jonathan will turn her under, and then he goes under the next couple and over and under and over. Keep your eye on the orange couple. When he gets to the bottom, he turns her under and comes back the same way. Over and under and over and under and over. And see how they end up at the top of the line.